error code 126. This error is not from the official game. It happens only when the game is using a cracked online fix version. The onlinefix64.dll file is missing, corrupted, or blocked. Steam API patch is broken. Your antivirus deletes DLL files. Wrong installation path or missing dependencies. .NET VC++. This problem is 100% fixable. Number 1. Disable antivirus. Most important, onlinefix64.dll is always flagged by Windows Defender, Avast, AVG, Bitdefender, Kaspersky. Your antivirus is deleting or quarantining the DLL. Fix 1. Open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. 3. Click Manage Settings. 4. Turn off Real-Time Protection, Cloud Protection. 5. Restore the DLL from quarantine if available. Then run the game again. Re-download the correct onlinefix64.dll. Your version may be wrong, corrupted, outdated. Delete the old one, then reapply the correct online fix patch for your version. Folder to check. You can see the code in our conversation history. You must have onlinefix64.dll, Steam API64.dll, patched version. If the DLL is missing, error 126 always appears. Number 3, install, repair Microsoft Visual C++, fixes DLL loading failures. Error 126, DLL missing dependency, usually VC++. Download and install both Visual C++ 2015, 2022, x64, Visual C++ 2015 and 2022 x86. This fixes failed to load DLL problems. Number 4, install latest .NET runtime required for modded patched builds. Online fix cracks often require .NET to load. Install .NET Desktop Runtime, .NET SDK optional. Number 5, put the game in a folder with simple path. If the game is in a path with Chinese letters, Urdu letters, spaces, long directory name, Windows fails to load DLLs, fix, move the game to a clean path like you can see the code in our conversation history. 6, run game as administrator. Right-click, run as administrator. Do the same for the launcher. Number 7, no mixing of cracked plus Steam files. If you mix Steam version, crack version, old online fix patch, Thunderstorm mods, it corrupts DLL loading and causes error 126. Fix. Use a clean folder, then apply online fix on it again. If you're using mods, Bepinex, remove these folders. You can see the code in our conversation history, then launch the game. Quick summary of guaranteed fix. The error